So hey everyone, Google DeepMind team just launched Gemini CLI, your open source AI agent. So this is a very innovative product and it was launched some 5 to 6 hours back and I was using it for 1 to 2 hours and it's an amazing tool. So what they have done is that now onwards Gemini can sit in your command terminal. You can access it through PowerShell and the main advantage is that you do not have to upload multiple files at once. It can read a whole directory or a file or a folder just by sitting on the PowerShell. And the main thing is that it's a agentic workflow model where it have a lot of AI agents under it which are communicating together and giving you the best response. So yes, it's a very innovative and a powerful tool. You must try it. So this is the official article that is published by Google. The link is in description. You can read it through that link, and let's just dive into it and let's just start using it. So these are some of the features. It has 60 model requests per minute, 1k model requests per day, and it's amazing. So these are some of the features. So you can also generate videos and all through it. So let's get started. Easy to get started. So they have published a GitHub repo which have step by step that how you can implement it in your device. So you just have to download the latest version, Node.js version 18 or higher. So this is you can download it from here. The link is in description. You can use that link. I have already downloaded it. So yes. So we will just move to the next step. So now either you can use this npx to just access it. If you tend to use it for a longer time and regularly use it, you should install it. So I will just use this command. So we have this command here. I've just copy pasted it and let's just go. So it will take some time. So yeah, it will, after executing this command, it will show this. If your npm or your node.js is not updated, it will prompt you to update it. So just update it or just use the npm updater. After that, we will just have to enter the Gemini command and let's just wait to execute. Okay, so the Gemini prompt have appeared and it have started. So mainly I have earlier used this Gemini and have logged in into it. So basically there are two options. Either you can use this npx command if you want to temporarily use it, or if you want to install it and tend to use it for a longer time, you should use this npm command. After this, there will be two ways to log into it. Either you can log in through your Google account. It will give you a prompt that you should log in through your Google account, or you can just use your API keys. You can go to this link. This link is also in the description, and you can just generate your API key and can use it in it. So for that, you have to use this command, export Gemini API key. So now there is a comparison that they have given in their this article. If you read the docs, so it says that if you use the default Google login OAuth, then you have 60 requests per minute and 1000 requests per day, which is good. If you are using it for day-to-day usage, this is a very good. This is giving very good amount of credits. And if you are using the API key, then you can use Gemini 1.5 Flash or Gemini 1.5 Flow. In this model, it's Gemini 2.5 Flow. You can actually choose which model to use. You have 60 RPM, 60 requests per minute, and 60k TPM, which is tokens per minute. So which is also good. So you have an option there. After that, it will also give you an option that you can choose the interface, like you can edit in which way you can pick a color theme and all. So then you will have this. Now it's very good. So now guys, after initiating the Gemini, it might appear that it is not been accessible in different directories. So for that you have to just use your PowerShell, and you have to run this as administrator. After running this as administrator, you have to use this command. It is also available in the description. So what this does, after entering this command, it will ask for that this execution policy helps protect you from scripts that you do not trust. Changing the might expose you to security risks described in the execution policy. So you just have to click Y here, and which is yes. So this will allow the Google Gemini CLI script to run in every directory that you choose. After entering this, so yes guys, so we will just test that is it working in any directory or not. So this is the folder. So we will just use open in terminal mode here, and after that we just have to enter this keyword Gemini, and it will just pop up and will start reading the document present in the file. So it will wait for authentication. I have just opened this in another PowerShell window. So it used wait for authentication, and then I just asked him a question: can you read the contents of c.pdf? So this is a PDF file, and this is a hackathon proposal that I just submitted some 2 to 3 days back, and this is a very heavy PDF. As you can see, this is a 30 pages PDF with a lot of images and content. So I was just testing that it can read it or not. So according to the documentation, till now the Gemini CLI can only read PDF contents or doc content or text content. It cannot read docs or any other PPTX content. So after that it read that file, and after that it it provided its analysis that this PDF appears to be a presentation of a project, and this is all the information regarding it. So I'm interested in electronics, so it's regarding that only. So after that I have asked it a question that what do you think of the toy, and is it a great proposal to submit in a hackathon? It thought for some around 1 to 2 minutes, and then it provided its answer that my thoughts are this trends, potential challenges. Yes, absolutely, this is a great and this is a winning idea, good luck. So thank you. So after that so it's working great, right? But if you see here, it says that there are some tips for getting started: ask questions, edit files, and all. So basically if you use the command help here, you will see that there is something called as tools. So if we access this tools here, so it have something called as saved memory. So this saved memory feature is very good, and this is what makes it your open source AI agent, which is specially customized to you. So there is something called as RAG, Retrieval-Augmented Generation, which is nothing but when you feed something, a database, a document in a structured way, which the LLM uses it as an index and uses it as a memory, so that it can provide a better customized, a more structured response according to you. So I am a electronics engineer. I have some strengths, I have some weakness. So I want that this CLI is able to cater my need and is able to provide me an apt response. So for that we will use something called as context caching. So in context caching we will feed this some information. So if you are using any GPT such as Grok, Perplexity, or anything that you are using in day-to-day life, I am using ChatGPT. So there is an option in ChatGPT which is under personalization, that is memory. In manage memory section you can see, so I have been using ChatGPT for a long time, since 2023. So it have all the things that I have told it, and so what that it does, it uses this memories with the prompts that I give it to it, so that it can make a tailored response that is specifically suited for me. So I also want to use this same feature in this Gemini CLI, so that it can cater my responses. It can give me app responses related to electronics and coding. So what will I do? I will just enter simple prompt in ChatGPT based on your understanding of me. Provide a master memory profile of me that I can use to interact with Gemini CLI to generate gemini.md file. So what is this gemini.md file? As you can see here, it is saying that if you see here where I have you authenticated it, okay, it's not showing here, but it uses a gemini.md file which have saved memory in it. So yes, it is listed here using one gemini.md file which have saved memory in it, which uses it to better make responses that are tailored to you. So after entering this prompt, you will get something like, let me show you. You will get something like this. This is my master memory profile type thing, which have everything regarding me, that what I am, what are my passion and all. Also, I have a model file here. So long ago, I have used this model file to, pre-inject this data set into Llama 3.2 3B so that I can make a custom GPT. So let me show you the step by step you can inject this file into your Gemini. So yes guys, actually after entering this prompt, you can directly get a gemini.md file. Earlier when I entered this prompt, I got a docs file. So but as which have all the information related to me, but as you know, this according to this article, it still can't read and extract information from a docs file. So I have converted it into a .txt file. I just copy pasted its content. So in order to make a gemini.md file, you just have to open this in terminal, and after you just have to enter Gemini here, and it will just access it. So I have opened it in terminal. So if you see here, it will till now I have not generated any gemini.md file. So it will say you that please create a gemini.md file to customize your interaction with Gemini. And this is the whole point. If you want to use Gemini in your CLI, Gemini wants to know that who are you, and it have to tailor every response according to your personality and according to you. So I just asked it a question that, hello, what all do you know about me? So till now it have not generated any gemini.md file. So it just answered in a basic way that based on your current conversation, I know that today is Thursday, your system is this and this, and I do not have like any personal information or preference told. So then I gave it a prompt that please access the files model file and master memory.txt. It accessed the file, and then I gave it a prompt that please add this to your memory and create a gemini.md file which you will access as a data source to interact with me. So explaining the concept of RAG and the context caching, so this is how it works, and these are the basic principles that are under it. So it will ask me that apply these changes. You just have to enter it, and where it have gone, yes, you just have to enter it. Refreshing hierarchical memory gemini.md file, memory refreshed 193 characters, and now it's using 2 gemini.md file. Now if you move here, it have created a gemini.md file. So this have all the document, all the things that are related to me, and it is using it. So if now I ask the same question that I have asked it earlier, I do not know why does it repeat the text. So let's just ask this question again. So hello, what all do you know about me? Executing the plan. It takes around some time to file gemini.md and analyzing user data. So at the same time, it stores the data in its memory also, and also access the memory from Gemini. You are a second year electronics in deep passion, and yes, so now you can just ask about yourself and it will give you a more tailored response. After that, I have also asked a question, when is my birth date? And yes, it provided me with an accurate thing that your birth date is 6th August 2005. So the purpose is not to create a chatbot type thing. It's a very basic thing. You can anyways create it on chat GPT also, but in real life situations. So I am a electronics engineer, so I have to deal with these Arduino codes and all. So I just opened the Gemini in this directory and then I asked it, please access the files present in it and read them and remove any bugs, and also make an equivalent code to run it in a STM32. So this is a real life example where for a prototyping we use Arduinos or this Raspberry Pi, but for industrial use we generally use this STM32 processors. So what it did, it did in a very step-by-step process. So it says, first I will read the contents of I, then it read it the ARM INO, then it showed us, here is summary of the issues that I have found, and first 53 codes of, then we will just enter it, and so yeah, it's doing the changes. So yes, it can the main factor of this is it can actually create a new file itself, and as you can see here, it says that okay, I have analyzed both the files here and I will now write a corrected version of these files and name them armfix.ino and ifix.ino. So the best feature is that you can directly run this file and can verify it on Arduino IDE also. So this is a very good feature here, and like it can save a lot of time. Now this will write file ifix.io. So this is a very great, accomplishment that Google have achieved. So since STM32 is often done using STM cube IDs, it is two files. See, it's writing a file now, me.nam.c. So you see, it's a powerhouse. It can do a lot of things, and it's surely a very good innovation, and you should also try it. And if you have any doubts or any other real world examples where you can use this, please tell me in the comment section box, and I will surely test these codes and run it on Arduino and STM32. Sometime back I just asked it to write a simple Arduino code to blink an LED and it was working. So yes, now you do not have to upload again and again some files on ChatGPT or Gemini. Now it can directly access that file, and the best part is it can actually read and write the files. So yeah, it's a very good thing. So let me tell your views on this topic, and let's meet in another video. Thank you.